Hi everybody, it's good to see you today and glad you dropped in. Today we're going to be making bagels. I saw this recipe some time ago and I thought, nah, that can't be true. So I just went on by, and then this week I bought bagels in the grocery store, and I'm thinking, oh my goodness, if you can make bagels, we might go in business. So that's what we're trying today, is making bagels. They make it so easy. Be honest with you, I didn't know that bagels didn't require leaven, but they don't. And it's simply two ingredients. I've got two cups. A cup and a half of self-rising flour, and a whole cup of Greek yogurt. I'm not real familiar with it, so I'm making sure I get it right. You know, I begin to use Greek yogurt for a lot of things, and it's just not something I've ever done before, but I do like it in recipes. That's a half. I am a bagel. I do like bagels. I'm not a real big breakfast person, and a bagel with sour cream or butter, I don't think you beat that. So I'm very interested in this. And if it's all this easy, I'll be making it more than once a week. Now this particular one makes 4 bagels. Just mix it. Of course, I should have worn an apron when I use flour. This will be just a very dry mix to start with. And I've got my water boiling. And I guess I should put my oven on. 425. You need boiling water and a hot oven. Okay. Of course, my hands are clean. Okay. Now we just got to get it all combined. Takes 3 or 4 minutes. Well, maybe not that long, but with me it could be. I have eaten some really good bagels over the years, and didn't know anything really about them. I don't think any of us do that we don't live in New York or places like that, or that are really part of their daily diet. Just think about the bagels. We don't have any oil at all in here. And you don't cook them at all. Now make it a bit of a loaf and make 4 pieces out of it. Now take each piece, roll it around, make a ball. That's a little bit little there. I think the nice thing about you don't have a lot of not waste, but it doesn't make a big mess. Now I'm just beginning to put my holes in it. Stick your finger through it and work it out the hole. Guess you could swing it around. But like I throw it inside the kitchen. Now it does look like a bagel, doesn't it? Now you drop them in the water, 1 minute on one side and 15 seconds on the other. So we put it on a baking pan. We do it. So let's do that. And I have to keep my time going. This may be one of my favorite things to do before it's over with, because that was certainly easy. In case you wonder what I'm doing, I'm watching the time over there. And I could get more in the skillet. I deliberately made it big like this so you can. Okay. Leave it over 15 seconds. And I see why the holes are in it now. They just bubble right through the holes. Okay. Put them in our pan. I'm anxious to see how these turn out. Really am. Now, I'm going to put some, you can put any kind of topping on it you want. I've got the everything bagel, and I'm going to put this on it, but I'm only going to put it on 2 of them. Or maybe 3. I'll leave 1 without it. There we go. Throw it in the oven. 425, it just went off for 25 minutes. Well, I just took my bagels out, and as you see, they're beautiful. Oh yeah, the bottom's beautiful. Everything's beautiful now. They're really hot, but I probably could cut one. No, maybe I can't. Well, probably wasn't a good idea. I'll cut it in half and do that. Well, I can only have to just put a little bit of butter on it anyway. I just really want to see how they taste because they sure look good. And they sure very done. That is good. That is a bagel. Wow. Wow. Why do you say that? I guess it would save you to make bagels, I can tell you that right now. Wow. I think I'll take this to someone. I'll eat that one. Sorry, I'm talking again. Well, I really have enjoyed this. I hope you will, because you see how easy it is. If you have any trouble, just let me know. Take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. Remember, joy.